Welcome to the third of 14 videos on the arc flash truth no one explains. My name is Joe Chacon. I'm the president of Podge LLC and Chacon Engineering. I'm a licensed professional engineer in multiple states and have been an electrical engineer for almost 30 years. Please like and subscribe as this helps us get this important information in front of more people. This video is going to talk about arc flash PPE. Before we do that, let's talk about PPE or personal protective equipment at a very high level. We often think of PPE as our first line of defense, but in reality, it is the last line of defense. We should eliminate the hazard first or substitute for it if we can eliminate it. If we cannot do those, then we must provide engineering controls first and administrative controls second. After we rule those four things out, then we can do PPE. When I do a study, I like to inform my customers how engineering controls can significantly reduce incident energy. Let's get back to PPE. In my opinion, the Standards Committee have made it very confusing through the years. I want to discuss the history of arc flash PPE, but I also do not want to perpetuate the confusion. NFPA 70E 2024 edition does make it very clear now, and that is what matters. They give two categories for arc-rated clothing in Table 130.5G. The first is 1.2 calories per centimeter squared up to and including 12 calories per centimeter squared. The second is incident energy exposures greater than 12 calories per centimeter squared. Let's look at the 1.2 through 12 category first. You're required to wear arc-rated clothing with an arc rating equal to or greater than the estimated incident energy. Arc-rated long-sleeve shirt and pants or arc-rated coverall or arc flash suit. Arc-rated face shield and arc-rated balaclava or arc flash suit hood. Arc-rated outerwear as needed. High visibility option. That's an example. Heavy-duty leather gloves, arc-rated gloves, or rubber insulating gloves with protectors. Hard hat. Safety glasses or safety goggles, hearing protection, leather footwear or tested equipment. Now, let's look at 12 calories per centimeter squared and up. This is where it gets really simple. Everything is the same, except you'll need an arc-rated arc flash suit, hood instead of the face shield and balaclava. That's it. Simple. Some of you electrical veterans might ask me at this point, hey, Joe, what about that magical number of 40 calories per centimeter squared? Notice no direct mention of that in this section of NFPA 70E. This is a point that is still problematic with the standard, in my opinion. I hope they fix this in the 2027 edition. I strongly advise to do the incident energy calculations and use Table 130.5G. I understand that NFPA 70E standard still in 2024 allows the far inferior hazard assessment and 130.7 C15, and that still mentions PPE categories, and that creates confusion in my opinion. I also strongly believe you should consider engineering controls for arc flash remediation when you have values higher than 40 calories per centimeter squared. The next video is the first of several on how to calculate incident energy. It's going to be fun.